Today we're doing the cooking challenge, and our mom is the judge. So first we're going to do this virtual coin flip to see who gets to spin this wheel first. And this wheel has several broad food choices that we can get, and there's also a freestyle, which is where we get to choose whatever we want on this wheel or anything else. And there's also judge chooses, where our mom chooses what we make. So I call heads.
And I'll call tails.
Okay.
So Siri is calling heads and Disha is calling tails.
So now I'm gonna flip the coin. So I get to go first.
Landed on heads.
Siri is going to do the wheel first.
So now I'm gonna spin.
Wow.
And I got judge chooses, so mommy gets to choose what I make.
Now I'm gonna spin.
Disha is going to spin now.
See what you get. You're so
She got freestyle.
I got freestyle so I can choose whatever I want. So I'm choosing pasta.
Good.
Okay, so since I got judge chooses,
I'm choosing bread for you.
okay. Oh wait.
So to make pasta and bread related dish, you have 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay.
Yay!
Time starts now. Tick tick 1. Hi Siri.
Oh, I forgot.
How is it going?
Okay. I keep on forgetting things.
Oh.
Like I forgot that I need to put my veggies on before I put the pizza in, and now I was about to put them on. I forgot I need to roast them. So
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
But I suggest to add little cheese on top again and then add your roasted veggies.
Okay.
Okay? Good. Hi Disha, how is it going?
pretty good. I'm just measuring out my flour.
What are you making?
Oh, I'm making Panera Bread style Alfredo pasta.
Oh,
Except with
cool.
shell pasta because I like shells.
Cool. That's good. I suggest you to use the spoon, measuring spoon. Yep.
Hi.
I know you are making pizza, and what kind of pizza you are making?
Well, I'm making like a veggie pizza, I guess, which I'm gonna have broccoli and carrots on it. And I might put onions. Actually, I don't think I will because I don't want to cut them.
Okay.
So, yeah, and I'm also gonna be making a potato sandwich,
Okay.
as well as maybe a pasta sandwich,
Okay.
which
Sounds-
I made up, and I also might make a normal sandwich, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Sounds yummy though. Okay. Catch you later.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what Disha and Siri are doing. I see some pizza baking
my
here.
pizza's baking here.
Okay.
I don't know how.
And I see some pasta boiling here. Looks like Disha is cutting some vegetable for her pasta.
Yep. I love bell pepper.
What
in the
vegetables
pasta.
you are using, Disha?
I'm using an orange bell pepper because I really love how bell peppers taste in pasta.
Okay.
So I thought I'd include it because it's one of my favorites.
So what other vegetables you are using?
I'm just gonna add bell peppers because it's in like an Alfredo pasta, so it's very cheesy. So I don't want to add too many vegetables.
Okay.
The cheese is like the star of the show.
So remember that you guys have 1 hour to go. Hi.
Hi.
How is it going?
Pretty good.
I'm going to give or add a challenge to you guys. Other than whatever you are making right now, I want you guys to make one fruit related dish.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Is lemon a fruit?
No. Lemon is not a fruit. Think about it.
So we can make like a.
See you
Can we
later.
make like a fruit-related drink?
Yeah, anything.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Think about it. Hi Siri, how is it going?
It's really stressful because I was gonna make a pasta sandwich, but then I don't know about it anymore, so now I don't know what to do.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about it since you made already one sandwich. So
And the
I
pizza.
suggest you to focus on the decoration of
And
that.
the fruit.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi Disha, how is it going for you?
It's okay.
Oh, so you're making sauce for the pasta?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not thickening. We'll see.
It takes some time to, yeah, it takes some time to thicken. So just be patient. Only 5
Wait, is there any
minutes
mint?
to go.
Is there any mint anywhere?
Yes,
Where?
outside in the garden. You have 5 minutes only. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm very sleepy and tired.
Siri, are you ready? You have only 5 minutes.
Done.
Done. Done. Your time up. Set up the presentation.
Okay.
Looks like Siri is ready with her dish. Let's see what she made.
Okay, so first I have my sandwich. It's a potato sandwich. It has potato and cheese inside, and then I decorated it with pasta and I put a little thing right there. And I also made a pita bread pizza because I searched it up, and according to my research, pita bread is also bread. So I have a pita bread pizza with broccoli and carrots. And lastly, I have my challenge. It's a mango smoothie. Not really a smoothie. I don't know if I made it up, but it's like mango mixed with blended with sugar and a little bit of milk. And then we recently made shortbread cookies, so then I smashed those and then put it on top, and then I put a mint leaf. So
Great.
that's my dish.
Let's taste. First, I will taste the pizza.
How is it? Is it bad?
It's so good.
Really?
I can taste that broccoli. It's not so overcooked, and it's rightly roasted. It's so good, and even the pizza crust is not so thick. So I like thin. So it's really good.
Okay.
And I'll taste this now.
Okay. How is it?
It's good. It's somewhat like vada pav. Now I'm tasting this.
What is that?
Mango and shortbread cookies.
Is it a smoothie or dessert?
Dessert.
I like your idea of putting shortbread cookie crumbs on the mango. It tastes so good.
Really?
Yes. Like Disha is ready with her dish. Come on, Disha, let's taste your dish.
Here we go.
Okay, Disha, what did you make?
I made you Panera Bread style Alfredo pasta, and I added some bell peppers to the side if you wanted. Also made a strawberry banana smoothie.
Oh, cool. I like your decoration.
Thank you.
Okay, let's taste the pasta first. That tastes good. Very rich texture sauce.
Thank you.
And I can taste all the flavors of Italian seasoning. It's so good, and pasta is well cooked. It's not very super soft, and it's not hard.
Thank you.
I wanted to taste some bell peppers along with. It's very good. I like it.
Thank you.
Okay, let me
Smoothie.
have this smoothie. Did you add some? How you got this color?
Strawberries and banana and some honey.
Okay, that's an interesting color. The taste is okay.
Thank you.
Okay, are you ready for the result?
No,
Yes.
but okay.
I want to know.
Okay,
I don't know.
I really liked both the main dishes, and I liked the sweet dish with mango, and I liked that extra side of dish. It's very tough competition, but I have to choose one. So I am choosing Siri. But Disha gave you very tough competition. Her pasta was super good.
Really good. I knew you were.
I thought you would.
Good job.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Bye. Bye.